Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are deep diving into fascinating world of classroom sketch notes. If you have ever wondered that what they are and how they can transform your learning experience, stick around because we have got all the answers. So what exactly are classroom sketch notes? Well, think of them as visual notes that blend images, symbols, and text to capture key ideas and concepts discussed in the class. They are like your own personalized visual roadmap to knowledge. Whether you are diving into algebra, exploring the wonders of biology, dissecting literary classics, or unraveling historical events, sketch notes can be your secret weapon. They are versatile and applicable across all subjects. Now let's talk about how to create your very own classroom sketch note. First thing first, grab some vibrant markers or pens and a blank sheet of paper or a notebook. As you absorb information from your teacher or textbooks, focus on the main ideas and key points. Next, it's time to let your creativity flow. You don't need to be an artist to create sketch notes. Simply draw simple visual representations of concepts you are learning. Use arrows, icons, and diagrams to connect ideas and make them visually appealing. But why are sketch notes so important? Well, for the starters, they engage both sides of your brain, making it easier to comprehend and retain information. Plus, they encourage active learning and creativity, turning passive note taking into interactive experience. For teachers, sketch notes can be a game changer too. They can use sketch notes to visually summarize lessons, making complex concepts more accessible to students. Sketch notes also promote critical thinking and help students organize their thoughts effectively. So, what are the key components of a sketch note? Well, they typically include a title or a central theme, main ideas or concepts, supporting details, and visual elements such as icons, symbols, and diagrams. And the best part, you can customize them to suit your own learning style. And there you have it, folks. Classroom sketch notes are a powerful tool for enhancing your learning journey. So grab your markers and start sketching your way to academic success. If you want to shorten your journey, then you can also check the link in the description, which has a full-fledged online course. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. Until next time, happy sketching!